The teeth whitening industry is filled with different products from whitening strips, pens, blue lights, and custom trays, to premium toothpaste and floss. It can be a lot to consider when thinking of what treatment you want to use. One of the most popular treatments is whitening strips. But are they the best to use? How often should you be using whitening strips? We take a closer look at the product and if it's right for you. Whitening strips started to become popular in the mid-2000s with large companies like Crest beginning to manufacture easy-to-use strips. For a while, that was the leading method for whitening your teeth at home, but it certainly wasn't perfect. The box would come with many strips for your upper and lower teeth, but many were left wondering how often should you use whitening strips. Ideally, you'd want to use the whitening strips every day for about 30 minutes until you see your desired results. If you have any sensitivity or irritation with your gums or teeth, stop immediately and take a week off from whitening. While whitening strips offer an easy convenience to whiten your teeth at home, users were left with an empty box after just 3 weeks and often need to repeat the process in order to maintain results. With whitening strips, they will do the bare minimum of whitening your teeth. They are often coated in hydrogen peroxide, which, when exposed to your bare gums, can cause irritation or swelling. Hydrogen peroxide also has a shorter shelf life, so if you forget to use your whitening strips and find them a year later, they may be much less effective at whitening your teeth. Another solution to whitening your teeth that doesn't leave you asking how often should you use whitening strips are custom whitening trays. These premium whitening treatments are crafted for your individual smile, meaning that no one else can use them as opposed to that one smile fits all with whitening strips. Custom whitening trays were originally crafted by your dentist, but Sporting Smiles offers them for half the cost and no need for a dental visit. By using the patented impression kit, you'll take teeth impressions and ship them back with the return label to Sporting Smiles. The experts in the dental lab will craft you custom whitening trays using the latest technology and advanced dental equipment. These whitening trays will fit snugly over your teeth, and paired with carbamide peroxide gel that foams at the contact of your saliva, your teeth will receive a full whitening treatment as opposed to the area that the strips only touch. When the gel foams, it will foam into the cracks and crevices of your teeth, giving a full whitening treatment in hard-to-reach areas. The back of your teeth will also receive a whitening treatment that often goes missed with just about every other teeth whitening kit out there. Whitening strips may also slide off the teeth after a few minutes or just feel awkward in your mouth. Whitening trays will fit snugly onto your teeth, and they will protect your gums from irritation as the trays cut off the gel from reaching your gums. With the trays, the treatments will become more effective and holds the foaming gel against your teeth. Whitening strips tend to slide around, making it difficult for the gel to concentrate on portions of your teeth. Stop wondering how often should you use whitening strips and start your journey to whiter teeth with custom whitening trays. This premium whitening treatment is the most affordable whitening kit available and will have your teeth dazzling in just a few treatments. You'll see a whiter smile after daily 10-minute treatments of whitening trays in 2 weeks. If you'd like to order your custom whitening trays from Sporting Smiles, all you have to do is click the link below.